Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make these adorable owl cookies for Halloween. Let's get started. First, using edible marker and a paper template, trace the outlines on a cookie. And then we're going to start with black royal icing, and I'm going to brush a thin layer of black icing into this area here. If you find that it's really hard to move the icing, you can add a little bit of water to your brush, remove the residue by dabbing it into a clean dry paper towel, and it should be easier to brush the icing on a cookie. Then we can move on and do the wings with 15-second consistency royal icing. For all the recipes for the sugar cookies and also royal icing, you can visit my blog. Links to the recipes are posted in the description box under this video. I'm going to continue with 15-second consistency black royal icing. Once all the flooded sections are crusted and the bottom brushed on layer is dry, we are going to work on this section using a medium stiff royal icing. You don't want to use super stiff icing, nor do you want to use fluid icing. And using a lightly dampened paintbrush, we're going to brush the icing, creating brushed embroidery. Alright, so that's done. Now we're going to ice the whole thing with orange royal icing, 15-second consistency. Use the needle tool to move the icing and shape it while it's still wet. Alright, so we're gonna have to let that dry. While that's drying, we can make the eyes. I'm using acetate sheet, and underneath I have a paper template. For the eyes, I like to use icing that is about 25 to 30-second consistency. Use your needle tool to smooth it while it's still wet. Now with piping consistency black royal icing, we're going to finish the wings. I'm going to add straight lines across. Alright, so now the eyes are dry. We can simply peel them off the acetate and we can use them to make the eyes. So I'm using stiff royal icing and a star tip. And then I'm going to take the eyes we made previously and I'm going to very gently push them into the purple. Like so. Now we can make the beak with yellow. Take yellow piping consistency and then we're going to dust it with some yellow sanding sugar for a little sparkle. At the very top I'm going to add some star sprinkles. You can just leave it and add dots if you wish. For the cheeks, I'm using edible petal dust and a clean Q-tip. And we're going to finish by outlining with purple. And here they are, beautiful, super cute Halloween owl cookies using a pumpkin cookie cutter. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you next time.